Hello dear student, my name is Rishikesh Labde. I am working as an assistant professor at Srimati Vimla Ben Khimji Tejokaya, SVKT College, Devrali Camp, Nasik. I welcome you all in this online LMS lecture series. In today's lecture, we are gonna learn about fundamentals of organic chemistry and introduction to structural isomerism. This topic includes in FY Savitribai Phule Pune University's FIBSc Semester 1 course. So let's get started. Session agenda. In today's session, we will learn about classification of isomers, structural isomerism. In structural isomerism, we will gonna learn about chain isomerism, positional isomerism, functional isomerism, metamerism, tautomerism, and ring chain isomerism with example in each case. We will end our session with a projection formula, how the molecule can be drawn in different projection such as wedge and dash projection, Sawhorst representation, Newman projection and Fisher projection formula. Learning objective. From today's session, student will understand the introduction and classification of isomerism. Student will also learn about basic of structural isomerism and its type along with some examples. Student will also study different 3D projection formulas in which organic compound can be drawn. Student will able to draw the basic organic molecule in different 3D projection and their interconversion in each other. Stereochemistry introduction. Two-dimensional structure of molecule does not explain all its properties. The properties of molecule depends on its molecular geometry and it is depend on orientation of constituent atom in the space. In 3D dimensional structure, two or more isomeric structure are possible due to different arrangement of atom in the space. For example, ethane molecule. We have the two-dimensional structure of ethane molecule with the 2 carbon and 6 hydrogen, but the actual three-dimensional structure is as shown in the image given below. One is staggered and one is eclipsed. We are going to learn about this in a few minutes. Isomerism. Isomerism can be divided into mainly two types: structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. The structural isomerism, there are different types. First is chain isomerism, second is positional isomerism, third is functional group isomerism or functional isomerism, fourth is metamerism, fifth is tautomerism involving different tautomers, and last is ring chain isomerism consisting of a ring or straight chain molecules. The second type, stereoisomerism. This can be divided into mainly two type. One is conformational isomerism and configurational isomerism. Now configurational isomerism can further be classified into optical isomerism and geometrical isomerism such as EZ or cis trans. First, structural isomerism. These isomers have same molecular formula but different bonding arrangement among the atoms or connectivity between these atoms. This leads to different physical and chemical properties. The structural isomerism is also referred as constitutional isomerism. The functional group and the atoms in the molecules of these isomers are linked in different ways. Different structural isomerism are assigned different IUPAC nomenclature. First is chain isomerism. It is known as skeletal isomerism as the carbon skeleton is different in these isomers. The components of these isomers display differently branched structure. Commonly, chain isomers differ in the branching of the carbon. An example of chain isomerism can be observed in the compound having a molecular formula C5H12. We see here N-pentane. This is straight chain 5-carbon alkane. Isopentane, which has one methyl branch at carbon number 2, and neopentane, which has two methyl branches at carbon number 2. So N-pentane, neopentane and isopentane have a different carbon skeleton, have a different branching, and thus they all three includes in chain isomerism. Positional isomerism. The positions of a functional group or a substituted atoms are different in position. Typically, this isomerism involves the attachment of the functional group to a different carbon atoms in the carbon chain. An example of this type of isomerism can be observed in the compound having a molecular formula C3H7Cl, a alkyl halide. Here we have a structure shown in the image given below. First is 1-chloropropane. The halide, that is chlorine, is attached to first carbon, and second is 2-chloropropane. The chlorine is attached to the second carbon. Thus the positions of the chlorine atom is vary in both the cases, and thus this example included positional isomerism. Third is functional isomerism, and also known as functional group isomerism. As the name suggests, it refers to the compound that have the same chemical formula but different functional group attached to them. An example of functional isomerism can be observed in the compound C3H6O. For example, ethanol and methoxyethane. Ethanol is having hydroxyl as a functional group. On the other hand, methoxymethane, the ether, is a functional group having the same molecular formula C2H6O. Second example in this case is propanol and propanone. Have a same molecular formula, but propanol propanol have a aldehyde functional group and propanone has a ketone functional group. We see the structure of all this in the image given below. Metamerism. This type of isomerism arises due to the presence of different alkyl chain on each side of a functional group. It is a rare type of isomerism and generally limited to molecule that contains a divalent atom such as sulfur or oxygen, which are surrounded by different alkyl groups. The example in this category is molecular C4H10O can be represented as ethoxyethane, that is C2H5 bonded to oxygen and further one C2H5 extra is bonded next to it, and methoxypropane CH3 bonded to oxygen and C3H7 is further attached. We see the structure of both of them in the image given below. The alkyl chain are differently attached to both the structure, and thus this includes in metamerism. Next is tautomerism. A tautomer of a compound refers to the isomer of a compound which only differs in the position of proton and electrons. Typically, the tautomers of a compound exist together in an equilibrium and they are easily interchanged in between them. It occurs via intramolecular proton transfer. An example of this phenomena is a keto-enol tautomerism. We see here ethyl acetoacetate exists as a tautomer mixture of ketone or enol form, and this example included tautomerism. They have same molecular formula but different arrangement of atoms. The keto form is 90% and enol form is 10% in this case, and they have exist in equilibrium and interchange in each other. Next example is ring chain isomerism. In ring chain isomerism, one of the isomer has an open chain structure whereas the other has a ring structure. They generally contain a different number of pi bonds. A great example of this type of isomerism can be observed in C3H6. Propene and cyclopropane are the resulting isomerism. We see that propene, which is a aliphatic hydrocarbon with a double bond. On the other hand, cyclopropane is a cyclic hydrocarbon alkane. This include in ring chain isomerism. One having a ring and one is aliphatic in nature. Now we will go to the next topic, stereochemistry. Includes the study of properties of molecule on the basis of a three-dimensional structure. Projection formulas. Two-dimensional structure can be converted into three-dimensional structure by using four formulas. The four formulas are dotted and wedge line formulas. Second is a Sohrs or Andreon formula. Third is a Newman projection formula, and fourth is Fisher projection formula. First, wedge and dash projection. For drawing wedge and dash projection formula on the paper using three types of bond to represent the 3D structure. First, solid line or a normal line represent a bond present in the plane of paper. Second, dashed line represent a bond present behind or below the plane of paper, that is away from the viewer. And third is wedge shaped lines represent the bonds present above the plane of a paper or oriented towards the viewer. Now we will see some example in this projection. Here in the first case, the tetrahedral structure, the two Cl group are in a plane as they have used a normal line. The CH3 dotted represented by dotted line is behind the plane, and H which is used by a solid line is towards the viewer above the plane. The next example is ethane, in which two hydrogen are in the plane, two behind the plane, and two are in front of plane. Sohrs or Andreon representation. In Sohrs representation, carbon chain becomes elongated. The bond between the carbon atoms is diagonally, that it runs downwards through the plane of paper. The substituent on each of the carbon are then projected on the plane of paper, making an angle of 120 degree. The substituents thus can be represented as staggered or eclipsed. For example, conformation of ethane. The same group are seen to each other goes into eclipsed conformation, and the same group are anti to each other goes into staggered conformation. We see this eclipsed and staggered conformation of ethane in the image given below. Next is Newman projection formula. In this representation, the molecule is viewed along one of the carbon-carbon bond axis, keeping one carbon atom in front and other in back or rear carbon atom. The carbon nearer to the eye is the front carbon atom and is represented by a circle point. The other carbon, that is a back carbon, is exactly behind the front carbon, and thus it is represented by the circle. The three remaining bonds of front carbon atom, that is C1, are drawn up to the center of the circle. The three bonds of a rear, that is back carbon, are drawn up to the edge of the circle. The three bonds making an angle of 120 degree with each other. Here, the eclipsed conformation of ethane can be drawn in the Newman projection as follows. There are carbon 1, 2, hydrogen attached to them, and they are having 120 degree angle in between them. Second is staggered conformation of ethane. It can be represented as follows. There are carbon 1 attached to 3 hydrogen, carbon number 2 attached to 3 hydrogen. The hydrogen bonds should making 120 degree angle with each other. Next is Fisher projection formula. In this representation, the molecule is oriented in such a way that the carbon chain becomes vertical. Both ends of a carbon chain go behind the plane of the paper and shown by the dotted lines. Substituent come above the plane of paper are shown by thick lines. We see the different example of Fisher projection formula. The Fisher projection formula is widely used in representation of carbohydrates such as glucose, fructose, mannose, etc. We see the example in the image given below. Summary. From today's lecture, what we learned: structural isomerism. Same molecular formula but a different bonding arrangement among the atoms or connectivity between these atoms. The structural isomerism have a different structure and hence their physical and chemical properties also varies. The chemical properties of physical property may be melting point, boiling point, solubility, its reaction, etc. Structural isomerism is also referred to as constitutional isomerism. Chain isomers differ in the branching and also known as skeletal isomer. Their carbon chain is different and involve branching or branching. The position of a functional group or substituent atoms are different in the positional isomerism. The functional group attached to different carbon in each case. Functional group isomerism. Same chemical formula but different functional group attached to them. These include alcohol or ether or aldehyde or carboxylic acid. Metamerism. This arises due to the presence of different alkyl chain on each side of a functional group. It is rare and generally shown by divalent atoms such as sulfur or oxygen surrounded by different alkyl groups. A tautomer of a compound refers to the isomer of a compound which only differ in the position of a proton and an electron. Last is the ring chain isomerism. One of the isomer has an open chain structure whereas the other has ring chain structure. Later in the session we discussed about projection formula, how the 3D molecule can be drawn on the paper by the different formula such as dotted wedge line formula, Sauer's formula, Newman projection formula, and last is Fisher projection formula. Recap. In next lecture we will discuss about stereoisomerism, conformational isomerism, conformation of ethane with energy diagram, stereoisomerism in cyclohexane such as boat, chair, half chair, etc. We also in the next lecture we are going to discuss about bare strength theory and the reasons why did it failed. We also discuss the phenomena of ring flipping in cyclohexane and comparison between boat and chair forms. Thank you.